Hey everyone, we're going to start this week with a 2-minute tutorial on how to use the between operator in SQL. So, what's the between operator? The between operator essentially selects values from your data between a certain range. The between operator is used within a where clause, and it can be used for text, numeric, and date fields. So let's take a look at how we actually use this. Here we have our country table, so a list of countries, bunch of attributes about those countries. Let's say we wanted to use our between operator to look at countries who had an independence year between 1990 and 1999. We'd do select from our country table where independence year, which is our variable in this case, between 1990 and 1999. So let's run and see what we get. Notice here that it falls within the where clause, and I have a separate video on that if anyone wants to check it out. Notice here it pulls 26 countries, all having the independence year between 1990 and 1999. Now, let's say we wanted to look at something else. Let's say life expectancy between 80 and 85. So here we'll do where life expectancy between 80 and 85. And if we run this, it should pull just a handful of countries with a life expectancy between 80 and 85. Let's take a look at a text field. So let's look at country name. And let's say we wanted to find countries where the name is between Italy and, say, Latvia. So when you use the between operator for a text field, it bases it on alphabetical order. And notice here how I have Italy and Latvia in quotation marks as it is a text field, but I didn't have to do that for the numeric fields earlier. So notice here it has a list of all countries between Italy and Latvia. So that's a quick overview of how to use the between operator. I'll post a more detailed version on YouTube, but please leave any questions you have in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks everyone.